Welcome to the Real Maxi Pets channel.
Hello everyone! Today we are going to tell you about the amazing penguins. Interestingly, these animals are aquatic flightless birds, while being excellent both in water and on land. Penguins live mostly in the southern hemisphere, off the coast of Antarctica, with the exception of one species, the Galapagos penguin. In total, there are about 17 species of these cute animals in the world, and today we will tell you about a few of the most popular species of penguins. So the first and largest representative is the emperor penguin. Emperor penguins live in Antarctica. The chicks of these penguins are covered in silver-gray down and have black heads and white masks. Emperor penguins can grow up to 4 feet tall and weigh up to 100 pounds. The plumage and appearance of females and males are quite similar. The back and head feathers are black and clearly demarcated from the white belly, light yellowish breast. A distinctive feature of emperor penguins is the bright yellow ear flaps. Like all penguin species, emperor penguins have a streamlined body for better gliding underwater while swimming. Subscribe to our channel. The Adelie penguin is an interesting species of medium-sized penguin, common along the entire Antarctic coast. The distinguishing feature of these penguins is their appearance. The upper body and throat are black in color, while the underbelly is snowy white. The Adelie penguin's head is black, and there is a noticeable white ring around the eyes. However, the chicks are covered with ashy and dark gray down after hatching and do not have a white ring around their eyes. It does not appear until they are 1 year old or older. The chinstrap penguin is also interesting in its appearance. Its name comes from the distinctive pattern on its head, namely the black narrow band along the face in front of the neck. These penguins are medium-sized and inhabit the southern part of the Antarctic and Pacific Oceans. The contrasting combination of black back and bright white belly create excellent camouflage when viewed from above and below for protection from predators. Subscribe to our channel. Gentoo penguins are very beautiful and cute penguins. They are easily recognized by their bright orange, reddish beak and the wide white stripe that runs along the top of their head. They have the longest and most prominent tail of any penguin species. Gentoo penguins can also emit a loud trumpeting cry, which the animal makes by tilting its head back. This cry is what you will see next. In terms of size, Gentoo penguins are quite large. They are the third largest birds after the emperor and king penguin. They can reach up to 3 feet in length and weigh up to 20 pounds. Gen 2 penguin chicks, unlike other penguin species, fledge before they become independent. Subscribe to our channel. Also unique to these penguins is their ability to swim fast. They are the fastest species of penguin. They can reach speeds of up to 22 miles per hour. Next, we will focus separately on the penguin's ability to swim in water. Penguins swim with a special skill. They are perfectly adapted for life in the water. Penguins' wings are a kind of flippers that help them hover underwater like surface birds in the air. The plumage creates a special layer of air along the body that helps them swim so fast and retain body heat in icy water. The tail helps them coordinate their movements underwater and on land. Thanks to their tails, penguins are able to jump out of the water and onto land in precipitous areas of ice. The rockhopper penguin is one of the smallest types of penguins. They grow up to 1.7 feet tall and weigh up to 6 pounds. They are distinguished by their yellow and black spiky head feathers, orange beak, and red eyes. Rockhopper penguins live on islands north of Antarctica. Because of the harsh rocky habitat, they are not adapted to glide on their bellies like other penguins, so they hop to facilitate movement. Subscribe to our channel. The royal penguin lives on the subantarctic island of Macquarie. The distinctive feature of these penguins is their yellow crest on their head, as well as their white face and chin. The macaroni penguin is very similar to the royal penguin. However, it is slightly larger, and they have a black face rather than white like the king penguin. Macaroni penguins also have a distinctive yellow scallop that resembles a macaroni, hence the name. The king penguin is one of the largest penguins, second only to the emperor penguin. They can grow up to 3 feet tall and weigh up to 40 pounds. King penguins are the world's most seabirds, spending the most time in the water during their lifetime of any penguin species. They like to frequently dive underwater for prey and can stay underwater for up to 10 minutes and dive to depths of up to 1,000 feet. A distinctive feature is their appearance. They have a pronounced long beak with orange flecks and a bright contrasting body coloration with a white belly, black back, and bright orange cheeks. King penguin chicks are covered in a distinct brown, down until maturity. King penguins are also notable for gathering in huge flocks to breed, over 150,000 members. The breeding period lasts much longer than other penguin species and can be up to 14 months. Subscribe to our channel. The Magellanic penguin is named after the famous explorer Ferdinand Magellan. They are medium-sized penguins, growing up to 2.5 feet tall and weighing up to 15 pounds. Magellanic penguins live around the southernmost coasts of South America and the Falkland Islands. They are quite fearful in behavior, and at the sight of people or predators, they usually run away to hide in their burrows. Magellanic penguins like areas with dense vegetation and deep layers of soil to create burrows, which serve as places to lay eggs and protect themselves from predators. Magellanic penguins are very fond of their dens and spend a fair amount of time there. So our video has come to an end. We wish you a great mood and all the best.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to Real Maxi Pets channel. Like and share.